Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to get Cursor Pro for free. First, if you're a current university or college student with a valid .edu email, head over to Cursor's dedicated students page and hit verify status. After verifying, you'll unlock one full year of Cursor Pro at no cost, including $20 per month worth of premium usage, advanced AI models, unlimited tab completions, background agents, bug bot, and more. And any existing subscription you have will be refunded for the leftover time. If you're not a student, you can still use Cursor's hobby or free tier or jump into a Pro 2-week trial to test the features without paying. For those wanting to extend access beyond trials, the community has open source tools like Cursor Pro Trial Reset Tool, Cursor Free VIP, or Go Cursor Help that resets your trial period or bypass membership checks. But keep in mind these methods may violate terms of service and risk your account. Choose the student route for a clean and official free year, or test the trial if you're exploring. Those are the safest options. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this.